I'm Katie Law and I live here in Moorfield with my family and Finley, who's our working Cocker Spaniel. There were 6 puppies and we just fell in love with him. Lots of people around here have firework parties, and when it all started it was so noisy. He again hyperventilated, shook, hid, was terrified.
He is very sensitive to noise anyway. He did not like it at all.
No.
Because he doesn't like thunder either. Thunder and lightning, that's another no-no for him.
It was very frustrating, wasn't it?
Yes.
At the vets we'd seen that they had a product called ADAPTIL, and you know the reviews were really good, weren't they?
They were good, yeah.
We'd seen that there was a plug-in, so we thought we'd get the plug-in and that would help keep him relaxed, because sometimes the fireworks are in the night when we're in bed, and obviously he's in his crate downstairs, so we had the plug-in with him in the room, so he was much better. He just had the ADAPTIL and it worked, didn't it? Any problems that you've got with a dog where they're anxious, I would recommend ADAPTIL. You need it in your life because it's definitely helped our Finley, hasn't it?
Indeed.
Yeah.